Welcome to my channel Educational Network. Today we are going to study the poem. The name of the poem is Animals. It is written by Walt Whitman, a famous American poet. Tells us that he feels more at home and free with the animals rather than with the human beings because he finds animal placid and not worried about their condition. They do not discuss their duties, they do not bow down to each other and do not get angry with each other. The poet wonders from where these animals have got all the three good qualities. He wonders if he too got the same quality long time ago and carelessly dropped them on the way of life. So let's move ahead. Now see the poem. The poet expresses the possibility that he could change his lifestyle and live with animals. The reason is that animals are so calm and self composed. The poet can stand and gaze at them for long hours. He has observed that they do not perspire from too much labor trying to improve their condition. Neither do they complain morally about their living condition. They do not spend sleepless hours expressing sorrow for their misdeeds. They do not disgust the poet by talking to him about their duty to God. Not a single animal seems discontented. They do not behave irrationally, madly pursuing the ownership of worldly goods. No animal kneels to another as a sign of worship, nor to any ancestor that lived centuries ago. No animal has idea about or is unhappy with the matter that related to the whole earth. Animals express their relationship with the poet in a simple way and he in turn accepts them for what they are. Animals offer the poet visible signs of qualities such as the innocence and simplicity and reveal to them by their behavior how these qualities quite clearly belong to them. Poet wonders where the animals obtain those tokens, is these qualities. The poet wonders if mankind, while passing through the various stages of evolution, once possessed this quality ages ago and then crossed the years carelessly gave them up. So, I hope that you understand this poem. So, like and subscribe my educational network channel. I will give you homework of English in WhatsApp and also in the Google Classroom. The code is given below.